Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone screen not rotating issue on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 13 series. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn off your iPhone screen rotation lock. So for this, go to control center here and tap to turn this screen portrait rotation lock. And then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart your power of your iPhone. So guys, after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then the next solution is make sure the app you are using supports screen or rotation. And then after this, the next solution is turn off display zoom. So guys, if you have active display zoom on your iPhone, so simply turn the display zoom off. And then after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for the checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I am installing the version. Go back now, and then after this, the next and the last solution is reset all settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.